stay quiet and pay attention, alright? Okay, look at the picture. Coba lihat. How much a kilo of sugar? How much a kilo of sugar? Yeah, very good. A kilo of sugar is 11,000 rupiah. What about how much a plate of gado-gado? Yeah? Yeah. Excellent. Okay, together. A plate of gado-gado is 6,000 rupiah. Okay. How much a glass of orange juice? Excellent. Alright, together. A glass of orange juice is 2,000 rupiah. Okay. How much a bowl of bakso? Very good. A bowl of bakso is 5,000 rupiah.